Welcome to our channel. If you are looking to boost your motorcycle's performance and reliability, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are reviewing the best motorcycle spark plugs on the market. We'll cover our top picks, focusing on key factors like durability, performance and compatibility with different motorcycle models. Whether you are a casual rider or a seasoned enthusiast, we have got the perfect spark plug for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance tips and gear reviews. Let's jump in. At the first position of our list, we have E3.36 Powersports Spark Plug, a high-performance spark plug designed to improve your motorcycle's efficiency and reliability. Engineered with advanced technology, this spark plug is crafted to provide superior combustion and power output, ensuring a smoother ride and improved fuel economy. It's an ideal choice for riders looking to enhance their motorcycle's performance without compromising durability. The E3.36 features a unique diamond fire electrode design which increases flame propagation for a more complete burn. This results in a more efficient engine operation, reduced emissions and better throttle response. The robust construction ensures that this spark plug can withstand the vices of high-speed riding and extreme temperatures, making it a reliable choice for both daily commuting and long-distance touring. Compatibility is key, and the E3.36 is designed to fit a wide range of power sports vehicles, including motorcycles, ATVs and UTVs. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to replace your old spark plug with ease. Despite its high-performance features, this spark plug is priced competitively, offering excellent value for its durability and effectiveness. At number 2, we have the NGK CR7 HSS Standard Spark Plug. This plug is a reliable choice for maintaining and enhancing a motorcycle's performance. Crafted with NGK's renowned quality, the spark plug is designed to deliver consistent ignition and efficient combustion, leading to smoother engine operation and improved fuel economy. It's an excellent option for a wide range of motorcycles and other small engines, offering durability and performance at an affordable price. The NGK CR7 HSA features a copper core that provides superior heat dissipation, ensuring optimal spark plug temperatures for improved longevity and engine efficiency. This design reduces the risk of falling and misfires, giving you confidence in a motorcycle's reliability whether you are commuting or taking a long ride. Durability is a key focus with this spark plug built to withstand high temperatures and extreme conditions. The nickel alloy construction ensures resistance to corrosion and wear, extending the lifespan of the spark plug. The easy installation process allows for quick replacement so you can get back on the road without hassle. Ideal for everyday use, the NGK CR7 HSS Standard Spark Plug offers excellent value for its quality and performance. Next up at number 3, we have Autolite 4194 Copper Non-Resistor Automotive Replacement Spark Plug, the pinnacle of performance and reliability for your vehicle's ignition system. Engineered with precision and crafted from high-quality copper, these spark plugs deliver consistent spark and ignition, ensuring optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. The design of the Autolite 4194 spark plugs is tailored to meet the exacting standards of automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a non-resistor construction, they provide maximum conductivity, igniting the air-fuel mixture efficiently for smooth engine operation and power delivery. Their durable construction ensures longevity, making them a cost-effective choice for long-term maintenance. Effectiveness is at the core of these spark plugs, offering reliable ignition in a wide range of operation conditions. Whether you are cruising on the highway or navigating challenging terrain, you can trust the Autolite 4194 to deliver consistent performance mile after mile. Available at a competitive price point, these spark plugs offer exceptional value for their quality and performance. Upgrade your vehicle's ignition system with the Autolite 4194 Copper Non-Resistor Spark Plugs and experience improved engine response, fuel economy, and overall driving satisfaction. The number 4 position is held by the Spark Plug 5129. This product is a versatile and high-quality spark plug designed for a wide range of engines, including motorcycles, small engines, and ATVs. Constructed with premium materials, this spark plug ensures consistent performance and durability, offering reliable ignition and improved combustion. If you are seeking a dependable spark plug that balances quality with affordability, Spark Plug 5129 is an excellent choice. Featuring a copper core, this spark plug offers superior heat dissipation, helping maintain optimal engine temperatures and reducing the risk of falling. This leads to a longer lifespan and more consistent performance even under harsh conditions. The nickel alloy construction provides additional durability, resisting corrosion and wear over time, making this spark plug suitable for both casual and high-intensity use. With an easy installation process, spark plug 5129 can be quickly replaced, allowing you to get back on the road or back to work without lengthy delays. The design ensures compatibility with a variety of engine types, making it a versatile option for a wide range of applications. Despite its high-quality features, spark plug 5129 is priced competitively, offering great value for those seeking durability and reliability in their engine components. The number 5 position is dominated by NKG spark plug, designed specifically for marine and motorcycle engines, promising unparalleled performance and reliability on the water or on the open road. Crafted with precision engineering and durable materials, these spark plugs ensure optimal ignition under the most demanding conditions. With a focus on effectiveness, NKG spark plugs provide consistent and powerful ignition, optimizing engine efficiency and performance. Whether you are cruising on your motorcycle or navigating the waves, you can rely on NKG to deliver smooth and reliable operation mile after mile. Durability is a key feature of these spark plugs, built to withstand the harsh environments encountered in marine and motorcycle applications. Their rugged construction ensures longevity, reducing the need for frequent replacements and providing excellent value for money over time. Available at a competitive price point, NKG spark plugs offer unbeatable quality and performance without breaking the bank. Upgrade your marine or motorcycle engine with NKG spark plugs and experience improved throttle response, fuel efficiency, and overall engine performance, ensuring countless hours of worry-free riding or boating enjoyment. Next up, at number 6, we have AC Delco GM Original Equipment 41-114 Iridium spark plug, engineered to ignite your engine's performance to new heights. With its cutting-edge design and advanced Iridium technology, these spark plugs deliver superior ignition capability, ensuring smooth starts, optimal fuel efficiency, and enhanced engine power. Designed to meet the exacting standards of GM vehicles, these spark plugs offer exceptional effectiveness across a wide range of driving conditions. Whether you are navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, you can count on AC Delcos to provide reliable performance and consistent combustion. Durability is a hallmark of the AC Delco 41-114 spark plugs. Thanks to their robust construction and premium materials engineered to withstand the rises of daily driving, these spark plugs offer long-lasting reliability, reducing the need for frequent replacements and ensuring peace of mind on the road. Available at a competitive price, AC Delco GM Original Equipment spark plugs offers outstanding value for their quality and performance. Upgrade your engine's ignition system with AC Delco 41-114 spark plugs and experience the difference in power, efficiency, and overall driving satisfaction. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have BOSCH 9613 OE Fine Wire Double Iridium Spark Plug, a pinnacle of automotive ignition technology. Engineered with precision and crafted with double iridium electrodes, these spark plugs deliver exceptional performance, ensuring smooth starts, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced engine power. Designed to meet or exceed OEM standards, the BOSCH 9613 spark plugs offer outstanding effectiveness across various driving conditions. Whether you are commuting in the city or cruising on the open road, you can rely on BOSCH for consistent combustion and reliable engine performance. Durability is a key feature of these spark plugs thanks to their fine wear electrode design and premium materials. Built to withstand the rises of daily driving, BOSCH spark plug offer long-lasting reliability, reducing the need for frequent replacements and ensuring optimal engine operation over time. Available at a competitive price point, BOSCH 9613 spark plugs offer exceptional value for their quality and performance. Upgrade your vehicle's ignition system with BOSCH spark plugs and experience the difference in power, efficiency, and overall driving satisfaction. Thanks for watching our review of the best motorcycle spark plugs. If this video helped you find the right spark plug for your ride, give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow riders. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reviews, maintenance tips, and motorcycle advice. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Ride safe and see you in the next video.